Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. It's been a while that I've been to Dollar Tree, but since I've been back I've been seeing a lot of fall decor. We're getting all the fall decor early. It's only July, about to be August, so it's going super fast. So I cannot believe I found some of these goodies that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the haul. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the first bag that I have here. I'm telling you guys, they are receiving a lot of the fall decor, so make sure to check out your local Dollar Tree and pick it up because they are gonna go super fast, because I remember last year they went off the shelf like quickly. The first thing I picked up was this cute pumpkin right here. It says be blessed, be thankful. I thought this was so cute. I cannot wait to decorate for the fall. I think fall and Christmas are like my favorite time to decorate the house because you just bring like all the fall decor out. It just looks so pretty. And then I got this one that says a grateful on it. They look so beautiful. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to bring my fall decor out because I'm definitely gonna be bringing that out soon. And then I have this pumpkin right here that is so cute. It's just a basic pumpkin. It does not say anything. It's just white and gold. And I think I got 2 of those. I think so. No, I didn't. Or did I? No, I did not. I got 2 of the other ones, the thankful ones. These were going to be so cute, especially for a Thanksgiving. I thought these were awesome. And for only $1, you cannot go wrong with some pumpkins. I think you could just decorate so many ways with those. And then the next bag I have is this one right here. This one also has glass. So I went ahead and picked up these foliage greenery that I'm going to be decorating with some of my fall stuff. I'm going to be using some of those. And then I also picked up these little tier trays, so I'm going to be doing like a cute DIY for a centerpiece. I'm trying to think for the centerpiece, so I'm going to be doing a DIY. So I wanted to get 2 of these and see how it turns out for the fall. And then I also picked up this paint right here. This is a multi-purpose, safe, non-toxic water paint. So I wanted to give it a try and try to paint this. So let's see how that works out for me. And the last things that I have in this bag right here are these cute little candle holders that I'm also going to be using for my fall decor coming up. I cannot wait. I'm telling you guys, I am preparing myself for the fall decor because it's coming, and it's coming very fast. So the next bag I have is some random stuff. I think I have. Yeah, I have some wrap, and then I have some parchment paper. I have just some utensils. And then this lip gloss, which is for my daughter because she loves unicorns. So she went ahead and picked this out for herself. So I got her that. And then the last bag that I have here, I got this 8x10 picture frame. I have a decor, not a decor, but I have one of those stickers that you stick to the wall, but it really doesn't stick to the wall downstairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in here and then just hang it up and make it like a wall decor. So I went ahead and picked this up. I thought it was super cute, and it does go with my decor downstairs. So I loved that. And then the last few things that I picked up were these beautiful leaves, and they come in 2 different shades, so colors actually. They come in this wood and gold, and then they also come in this white and gold. And I thought these were beautiful. When I saw them, I was like, yes, I have to have them. And I'm telling you, I went and picked up only 2 because I was like, wait, I don't know where I want to put them yet. So I bought it, and then today I went back to pick up some more and they did not have this color anymore, so they only had the white and gold, and they only had like 4 left. So I went ahead and picked up these, and I'm just gonna decorate downstairs with them because I thought they were so adorable. So I went and got these, and I'm telling you guys, things fly off the shelf. There was like more than 20 of these yesterday when I went to go pick it up, and I went today again, and they were mostly all gone. Like, everything just flies off the shelf. So if you see something that you like, you definitely want to take it with you that moment, because when you go back, you're not gonna see it again. And so I'm just letting you guys know, definitely take it with you, especially the fall decor. If you need it now or see it and you want it, take it, because you go back, you're not gonna see it again. So yeah, that is it for my fall decor haul from Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you have been to Dollar Tree, if you guys are picking up some fall decor. Let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.